So this has grown in over the years into what I think is a nice piece of music, at least for my abilities. Rain clouds all evaporated, temperatures soared. Fires charred the highlands, almost emptied reservoirs. Soils drying and yearning, locusts raising cane. All the while we're waiting for the rain. Waiting for the rain. Blues is unrelenting as blazing midnight sky. Choke bells on the whale palms, 'cause on the ground it's dry. Desperation's dawning, it's gnawing at my brain's going to be a long time waiting. Waiting for the rain. Waiting for the rain. All the charlatans came out with their dances and their rods, their promises of water, but the promises were lost. Some are waiting, praying every day, cursing, laying blame, taken by their waiting, waiting for the rain. Waiting for the rain. Yearning for flesh, blood, summer ball or none. I'm so tired of waiting for rivers to run. There's water in abundance, but only in our dreams, where we splash around in ebbs and flows, and cloudbursts last for weeks. Daylight brings the nightmare, we're still looking up in vain. Another day of waiting, waiting for the rain. Waiting for the rain. Another day of waiting for the rain. Another day of waiting for the rain. Waiting for the rain.